Hi guys, my name is Abhinav Siddartha. I am going to tell about input and output statements. So let's get into the topic. Now, what are input statements? Input statements means any statement or data which is given by the user through the keyboard to computer while running the program. This is called input statement. Uh, so, input function itself will use for reading the input from the user at the runtime. So there are no other functions um, to give for reading the input statement. Input function itself is uses for reading the input statements. In Python. In Python, there are no separate declaration part, so that by using input statements, always the computer reads the string data. Means there are no need to declare any other separate part. By using the input statement, it reads the string data. The input taken by the user will be in the form of strings. Means any input which is given by the user to the computer will be taken as strings. What are strings? Strings means strings are a group of characters. In our computer program, everything in a keyboard will be treated as a character. Means A to Z, numbers, uppercase letter, lowercase letter, special character. Everything is a character. For example, 55 can be a number or a character. A is equal to 55 means 55 is assigned to A. Here A is equal to 55 is a number. If we mention 55 in double quotes or single quotes, it is treated as a character. In Python program, input will always read the string data. Suppose if we want to do any arithmetic or operations like addition, subtraction, etc., we need to convert this string into particular data type. This is called type conversion. In Python also we have different type conversion, but basically in Python here it is simple to convert this means any data type to any other data type. In Python it is simple. As we said, in Python, type conversion is simple. It is simple because there are so many inbuilt functions. In input, what information we are writing in between the double quotes will be considered as normal text. For example, here, A is equal to input enter number. The enter number which we wrote in the double quotes will be treated as a normal text. So when it this normal text is directly presented in the output screen like this at the runtime, the user, suppose the user, if he gives 5, then 5 is assigned to A. Now the 5 is treated as string. Otherwise, likewise, if the user gives ABC, then the ABC is treated as string. If the user gives 3.4, then 3.4 is treated as string. So whatever the user enters at output, that will be treated as string. And whatever the text we are writing in the double quotes in input function will directly displayed on the output screen. In screen it will be displayed as enter number like this, enter number, and if user prints 5, then it will be assigned to 5. Likewise, ABC assigned to A, 3.5 assigned to A, like that. Okay. Input statements are completed. Now we will discuss about output statements. Output statement. The information produced by the computer to the user is called output statement. Means input is what we enter, we use to the computer, and output is what we receive from the computer. Python provides us the two inbuilt functions as input and output. Print is used to display the output. So text displayed in double quotes or single quotes will be considered as normal text and display on the output screen. Same as the input, the text which we the text or information which we mention in double quotes or single quotes will be considered as normal text, and the same text will be displayed while on the output screen. For example, see here, print hello. Here hello is mentioned in double quotes, so while output comes, same hello is displayed in the output. So let's take another example. A is equal to 5. Here 5 is the value assigned directly assigned to A. Now if you want to get that output, we can directly print of A. Then we will receive output as 5. Suppose if we write print of A in double quotes, as we said, anything displayed in double quotes or single quotes will be considered as normal text. Likewise, here print of double quotes of A, then we received output as A. So, if you want to print the value of the variables on the output screen, we need to write after the ending of the double quotes. So, whatever the text is written in the double quotes will be taken as normal text, and whatever the name of we are writing after the double quotes will be considered as a variable. Here, A is, as we said, A is equal to 5, directly assigned. A is a variable integer data type and 5 is assigned to that. So if we want to get that, we can directly write as print of A. So let's take another example. Called name is equal to Python. Here Python is displayed in double quotes, so which is considered as string. So Python is assigned to name. If we want to get that value Python, we can directly write as print of name. So if you want to write as print of double quotes hello comma plus name, here we need to mention plus for only string. If not string, then we need not to mention plus. For only string, the plus is indicated. So then we get output as hello Python. Then we will get as hello Python. As we said, if we want to get the value of the variable here Python, then we said we need to write that after the completion of double quotes. Here hello is mentioned in double quotes, we want the value is Python, so we need to, as Python is assigned to the variable name, we need the value of the name, so we need to write it after the double quotes. So hello plus Python, as we said plus is required only for the string, then we will get hello Python. That's about the input and output statements. Thank you.